Hello all. We are going to view general settings parameters. With this parameter, it is selected which device will be the master in the air conditioner. If used, a choice is made between the wired remote control of the air conditioner or the Core KNX air conditioner gateway. If the Core air conditioner gateway is selected, the wired remote control of the air conditioner must be in slave mode. If the wired remote control is not used, the Core air conditioner gateway device must be selected as the master. By default, the parameter is Core KNX air conditioner gateway master. Error conditions that may occur on the indoor unit can be read through this group object. When enabled, group object becomes available for use. A value of 0 means that there is no error. See your gateway user manual for possible error codes. Error codes that may occur in this parameter are read using 1 bit. A value of 0 means that there is no error. Parameter used to observe that the device and the application are running. When enabled, SendAliveBeacon object will send selected value with defined time interval. The delay time determines the period between bus voltage recovery and the point after which telegrams can be sent. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.